If you're printing your design first and then cutting it out with your silhouette machine, like printable stickers, labels, or print and cut designs, you need registration marks. So where to find the settings for registration marks? To turn them on, go to the left-hand sidebar in Silhouette Studio and click the Print and Cut tab. At the top, you'll see a checkbox for registration marks. Click the black box in the corner to enable it. Once it's on, you'll see registration marks appear around your design on the canvas. These are what will actually print on your page. You'll also see length. It controls how big each registration mark is. You'll see thickness. It controls how bold or thin the lines of the mark are. And you'll see inset. It controls how far the registration marks sit from the edge of your design. Once your settings look good, you're ready to send your design to print.